coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A -5, 6 and B 4, -3. So here you see the line segment AB. This is the address of A and this is the address of B. Now we need to find the coordinates of the points of trisection, which means the line segment AB is divided into 3 equal parts. Trisection or trisected means divided into 3 equal parts. So to divide the line segment AB into 3 equal parts, we need to take 2 points on it. So let the points P and Q trisect the line segment AB. Alright, so that is the points P and Q divide the line segment AB into 3 equal parts, and the 3 equal parts are AP, PQ and QB. Now since AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB, AP is to PQ is to QB will be 1:1:1. Alright. Since AP equals PQ equals QB, the ratio AP is to PQ is to QB will be 1:1:1. Now what is the question? We need to find the coordinates of the points P and Q. So first, how do we find the coordinates of the point P? Now P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. See here, 1 + 1, 2. Don't see the point Q now. We are trying to find the address of the point P. So don't see this point Q. P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. 1 + 1, 2. So now it's simple. We have to find the coordinates of the point P using the section formula. P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2, and we know the coordinates of A and B. So simply apply the section formula and find the coordinates of P. So see here, you can see the line segment AB here with the address. The ratio is 1:2. See, you don't find the point Q here. P divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. So use the section formula and find the coordinates of P. Now to find the coordinates of Q, we know that the point Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. Why? See here. See here. See the point Q. Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. 1 + 1, 2:1. The point Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. So that's what we see here. Line segment AB, you can see the address of A and B, which is given to us. Point Q, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. That is, AQ is 2 parts, QB is 1 part. So simple. Find the address or find the coordinates of the point Q using the section formula. And that gives us 1, 0. The coordinates of the point Q is 1, 0. Now we can also find the coordinates of the point Q using the midpoint formula. Now that we have found the coordinates of point P, you can see the complete figure here. You can see the line segment AB with the points P and Q on it. At this point we have found the coordinates of the point P. We know the coordinates of the point B, and Q lies midway between P and B. How do you know that? Because we know PQ is 1 part and QB is 1 part, which means Q is the midpoint of PB. So the coordinates of Q can also be found using the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2. See, y1 plus y2 by 2. Q is the midpoint of PB, the line segment PB. So use the coordinates of P and B and apply the midpoint formula. And that gives us the coordinates of Q, which is 1, 0.